Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can play Sonic Speed Simulator. It is a Roblox game. So you're just going to press start here. I'm just going to claim some items and I'm just going to walk here. And I'm just going to run. Oh my god, this looks kind of like funny. To press shift is to roll, as you can see. And you keep leveling up. I do not know how you can make it faster. I think you go to erase to do that. You can either go left or right. I'll just go right here. And there are a lot of paths that you can take. And I think that's like a bouncy thing. You're just going to keep running and stuff. This looks very slow. Well, it is kind of slow if I'm being honest. Like, there's not another way to run. Also, pressing space will make you roll forward as well, as you can see. Okay, apparently I have to go that way, but I want this XP, so I'm just gonna jump here and let's see if I can get it. There we go. Oh my gosh, that just made me faster, but that is how you can play Sonic Speed Simulator on Roblox. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I think if you press shift continuously, you will go faster. I don't know. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.